friends, hope you guys are doing well. So today I am back with another Linux command line video, and today we are going to be knowing about the mv command in the command line. So first of all, let me show you how we usually use the mv command. So basically, first of all, of course, you write the mv command line, and then you give many of its options like maybe -r or -v or -I or -f, anything like that. And then you will give the source, which can be one or many directories, files, folders, anything. And then you will give the destination where you want to move it to. Now let's get started. So first of all, I'm in downloads, as you can see right now. And so if I show you in what is in downloads, I can just do ls right here. And so as you can see here as well and here as well, I have one directory and one file, one txt. So first of all, the mv command. So suppose I want to rename this file to file2.txt. So how am I going to do that without changing the content of the file? So to show you that the final result is without changing the content, I'm going to be first of all showing you the content of file1.txt once. So as you can see, this is the content of file1.txt, and now I'm going to be renaming this using the mv command. So to that, I'm going to be doing mv, then file1.txt, and then I'm going to be writing file2.txt to rename it. Enter. And now as you can see, this file has been renamed to file2.txt, and now I'm going to be just doing cat file2.txt file2.txt here, and as you can see, the content inside the file in the text file has not been changed. So now I'm going to be telling you how you can transfer one file to another directory. So here, as you can see, we already have a directory 1. So I'm just going to do ls dir 1. And as you can see, it has file1. I already have a file1.txt in the directory 1. So suppose now I want to move this file2.txt inside this directory 1. How am I going to do that? Is I'm going to be writing mv, and then I'm going to be writing my source, which is file2.txt here. And then I'm going to be giving my destination, which is dir1. And now I'm going to be doing ls dir1 again. And as you can see, this file2.txt has been removed from downloads and has been moved to this directory 1. So in my previous video, if you have seen the cp command, using the cp command, you would copy the file and then put it into directory 1, but using the mv command, you kind of cut it out of the source. You are cutting it and then you're putting it in the destination. You're not copying it. So now I'm just going to be creating another folder. So cat suppose file2.txt only, and I'm going to be just writing some gibberish right here, and control D. And so now suppose I want to move this file2.txt into directory 1 where I already have a file2.txt. But first of all, in file2.txt, the content here is this, which is in the directory 1, and the file2.txt that I just created, the content is just some random text, gibberish text. So now I want to transfer it to directory 1 now. So let's see what happens. So I'm just to like transfer it, of course I'm going to be writing mv and then file2 dot txt, which is my source, and then the destination, which is dir1. And now I'm going to be clicking enter, and now you see what has happened is it will like overwrite the previous information. So what I'm meaning to say, I will show it to you. So let me do cat file2 cat dir1 file 2.txt, and now you can see here the gibberish text has appeared, and instead the previous file 2.txt that was in directory 1 has been overwritten by this file 2.txt. As the name was same, it overwrites the information and the previous information is lost. So now I'm going to be like creating the file 2 again, and I'm just going to be giving some other rather gibberish here and Control D. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be like going with the same command, which was move file2.txt to directory 1. But instead of giving this command only, I'm going to be adding an option which will be -i, which stands for interactive, which I have mentioned in my previous video. So basically this flags asks you if you want to overwrite a file or not. So if you give enter, it will ask you if you want to overwrite file2.txt. So if you give y, it will overwrite, and if you give n, it will not overwrite. So if we give n and press enter, it will not overwrite, and hence the file will not be moved. So now I'm going to be making another directory. So mkdir directory 2. If you don't know about the mkdir or darmdir commands, I have already posted videos on these commands detailed with the detailed explanations. You guys can visit those videos on this channel only. Now moving on to what I was saying. So I have made this another directory, which is directory 2, and I want to transfer this directory 1's contents along with the whole directory inside directory 2 without shuffling anything. So how am I going to do that is I'm going to be writing mv, then I'm going to be writing my source, which is directory 1, and then I'm going to be writing my destination, which is directory 2. And now if I click enter, I'm just going to do ls directory 2. Now as you can see, directory 1 has been moved inside directory 2. Now inside directory 1 we had 2 files, right? And I said specifically that we move the contents along with the directory. So let's see if that happened. So ls dir2 and inside dir1 you will be getting this file1.txt and file2.txt unchanged. So there are a lot more flags. Hope you got the basic thing that I wanted to convey, and there are a lot more flags other than -i. For example, you have -v, which stands for verbose. mv -v, suppose direct file2.txt. I'm going to be moving it to directory 2. So this is showing me what action is being done. So renamed it moved the file2.txt into directory 2, and there are a lot more flags and options. So you guys can also study in a detailed manner by giving this command, which is man mv, and here you will get all the options and flags that can be done with the mv command. So -z, -v, which we have already done, -i, which also we have done interactive, and all of these stuff. so you guys can easily study about this. So hope you guys like today's video, and if you like, please do subscribe and share it to more of your friends so that they also get to know more interesting facts about Linux and Linux command line videos and many more stuff. So you guys, if you are new to my channel, you can check out my channel. I have different types of videos on what is Linux and about Linux versus Windows, about its operating system, details about that, and many Linux command line videos. So I'm going to be posting more of them, and also hope you guys got to learn something new from this video, and keep supporting me. Thank you for watching.